What's up, y'all? So, I was telling my wife that views have been really down on my channel, and it's just one of a few channels. One of them I don't really mess with anymore, and just every once in a blue moon. So obviously views are gonna be down on that. But the other one is I talk about cars and things like that. That one does pretty good. But this food review stuff, it's kind of suffering. It's doing pretty bad. So she said, why don't you review that new 7-Up drink I bought? We went to Walmart. She walked right past them. She got the mug, I think it was mug, 0 sugar. And then when we were on the way out of the store, she walked back by the same display and looked at these 7-Up, 0 sugar, caffeine free, tropical soda flavored with other natural flavors. No caffeine. So what's the ingredients? No carbs, some sodium, 45 milligrams of sodium, no sugar, no protein, 100 milligrams of potassium. Okay? And some ingredients. If you want to read them, there's a picture of it. It'll be at the end. But I'm trying to take a better picture. There you go. So she drank one of these. Optimistic. She drank one of these and she didn't like it. Now, I didn't look in her cup to see what color it is, so I'm going to be surprised by what color it is. I'm going to guess that it's not going to be clear, being that it's tropical. Let's try it out. She didn't like the drink. I don't know what her deal is with, but yeah, in case you hadn't noticed, I need to cut grass. Y'all, I work a lot, and it's been raining a lot. There's grass all over the place. So let's open this. What color is it? It's kind of it's dark. We're gonna pour some out. Let's see. There you go. How about that? Kind of peachy looking. Ready to taste it? I'll put it in the freezer. Oh, I got a mosquito in my hand. As you can tell, it's kind of late today. It's after 7 o'clock. It's probably about 7:30. So it's going to be getting dark soon. Pretty evening. Been a nice day today. What is this? May 18th, because yesterday was the 17th. And went to a crawfish bowl yesterday. Crawfish and shrimp bowl. And they also had chicken too for people that didn't like either. The crawfish was extremely salty and spicy. And the shrimp was kind of mild. The mushrooms were good. But on to the drink. You ready? Let's try it. Definitely tastes peachy. I guess it's got a hint of 7-Up. Yeah. And a little, I don't know how tropical peachy is, but reminds me of like peach flavoring. I wish it had been in the freezer long enough to actually be really cold. But if the wife doesn't like something and she says, I'll drink it, that means it's going to sit out in the carport and not get drank. So I put 2 of them in the inside, one in the refrigerator and one in the freezer. And I was going to give them a try. And she's the one that said, hey, give that drink a try. I mean, make your review on it. Mosquitoes are tearing me up. Kind of hard to hold a phone and swat mosquitoes. But here's the thing. To me, this is milder than a 7-Up because a 7-Up has got more, you could say sparkle, more fizzy, more bubbles. Of course, I haven't poured this in a cup to see what it's going to be like, but it doesn't taste as fizzy to me. Zero sugar, tropical soda. I wonder what kind of flavors would you get for tropical? Like a mango or something? The tropics. What they call the tropics? Down in South America? Central America? And some islands? Tropical punch would be like real fruity, right? And usually kind of red. This stuff's kind of peachy looking. Kind of peachy tasting. I don't drink many sodas. Very little. My drink of choice is coffee. I'll drink some coffee, some hot tea, water. Usually I don't drink a soda. The carbonation and stuff, I just don't like the way it kind of bloats me. So, but I figured I'd do this for y'all. That doesn't, just because that makes me bloated doesn't mean that I can't tell you what it tastes like, right? Swat mosquitoes. I hope y'all have a fantastic week this week. I think I'll have a pretty good week. It's going to be a full week for some of us. Some people may take off Friday or something like that because, you know, we got a 3-day weekend coming up. Memorial Day weekend. My wife's birthday, I think, is Friday. I think it's the 23rd. Of some year, and so why did I get distracted? I think we're gonna go to the in-laws and visit with them, and then we are at some point next weekend. And during this week, I'm gonna get this grass cut at some point. See, it blows me up, gives me indigestion. Not indigestion, but just I'm gonna be having a lot of belches. And I want to go see the new Marvel movie, Thunderbolts. She had to make sure and tell me that going to see Thunderbolts wasn't her birthday present. So, 7-Up, zero sugar, tropical. I don't hate it. It tastes fine. Like I say, I'm not going to be good at saying, oh yeah, I drink this soft drink, because I try to stay away from soft drinks anyway. Number one, I look at soft drinks like this. I don't want the chemicals that it takes to make something taste sweet but not be sweet. And I don't want the sugar that's in the ones that are naturally sweet soft drink. And I mean, to me, it's just a can of chemicals. That's my opinion on it. Everybody's got an opinion, right? Well, I'll finish this up inside, not the video, the can, and get away from these mosquitoes. I appreciate y'all taking time to watch this video. I've got plenty of other videos out there of like meat reviews and coffee reviews and things like that. I'll keep on adding to it whenever I get time. Appreciate y'all taking time to watch this video, and I hope y'all have a fantastic week. Later.